This 2025 Highland Ridge Open Range 335 RBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 39 feet 6 inches in length and features a coastal linen interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, microwave, smoke detector, oven, refrigerator, LP detector, air conditioning, skylight, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front dinette, mid-bunk, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Highland Ridge Open Range 335 RBS is 10,300 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.